What's going on, Lily? Say, how do I get rid of mucus out of my body? I've been blowing my nose and coughing. Okay, listen. Um, mullein leaf. Okay, pau d'arco. Okay, alfalfa leaf. All right. These is some herbs that's good for your respiratory system, good for your lungs. All right. For your nose. All right. Elderberries. Okay. Elderberries. Go elderberries and you'll be good. But also, okay, start eating more fruit with the seeds in it. All right. Drink spring water. Okay. Try to stay away from meat. Stay away from dairy. Stay away from bread. Stay away from white sugar, brown sugar, stevia sugar. That's what I call it, stevia